Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinwe Izukane and this is a beauty channel and I do vlogs as well. I want to thank you all my new subscribers for joining the family, and to my friends that have always been here supporting me, thank you so much. I have a makeup video for you today and I'm getting her ready for her cultural day in church. It was actually on a Sunday. So to achieve a popping eyebrows, I'll say begin by grooming first. Groom into shape, remove the unwanted hair, make sure your eyebrow pencil is sharp, draw a sketch, and then clean up with your concealer. And then you can also use your spoolie just to brush it into shape and remove the harsh lines. I think I need to do another eyebrow tutorial because I know I have done one before and I will link up the video, and I've also done that also in another video of mine, so please make sure you check it out. And this is the finished look. Now, it's always the joy that comes with the transformation for me, and I am happy when my clients are happy and they love their look, and she's actually beautiful. Look, I actually tied the gele. I know you people have never seen me, tying gele. So I plan on introducing Gele tutorial videos, to help you in case you want to learn. And if it's something that you would love to see, please just let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed watching, and leave me your comment and please tell me your favorite part of this look, okay? And do not forget to subscribe if you haven't, and click on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it, okay? And follow me on my other social media handles. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.